Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to download and install Dailymotion app. So for this you need to go to your Play Store and search for Dailymotion. The one at the top with 3.9 rating containing 30 MB is the one that you need to install. So let us click on install. And now Dailymotion app that allows users to upload, share and make videos with ease. Dailymotion can be used to make money online by simply sharing videos on social media sites. You can find millions of videos on Dailymotion and lots of fresh content is updated every day with high quality videos. Like YouTube, Dailymotion business model focuses on monetization through ads and as such it's free. However, users are limited to 96 video uploads per day, capped at a total of 2 hours of video per day. Dailymotion also restricts video length to be no longer than 60 minutes. Dailymotion player technology delivers content in one flawless streaming experience. It can support 4K and high frame rate up to 60 FPS as well as 360-degree videos, which is a great thing and can be advantageous to people as well. So our app is almost being downloaded now. So let's wait for it to get installed. And here our app is installed. Let us open the app. You can see this screen. It will appear like this as Dailymotion. And once you get in the app, you can now freely access to a lot of videos. So this is all guys. Thank you for watching the video.